Hi, welcome to the Comics Flow Working Group. This is the place to be if you want to stay in practice, if you want to get loose and stay more in touch with your ideas and your images. This group, it's modeled after our graphic memoir intensive group, which has worked really well. Every week, I offer ideas, exercises, meditations, techniques, all sorts of things. And the group really supports everybody else in keeping everybody accountable and helping everybody come to new realizations and new understandings about themselves and come to new confidence about their work. I myself have made thousands and thousands of pages of comics, and I want to help you get to that point where you have wisdom and confidence and that you're happy on the page and excited and challenged. If you've taken classes at SAW, or you've been poking around, or you know anything about us, you know that we're about making you the best artist you can be, but also making you the best person you can be artistically, and helping you find that creative confidence and wisdom to keep making those stories. If you've taken a vinyasa class or a snakes class, or maybe downloaded How to Say Everything, this is a great place to check in and go a little bit further with your practice on your own steam, but with guidance and a cohort. So I'm super happy that you're here. I hope you'll check it out. Thanks.